Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to cook a mouth-watering cutlet made of one of our favorite ingredients, paneer. Not only is this easy to make, it also contains many health benefits. It is a great tiffin or snack idea, and this flavorful explosion of spices will make everyone want more. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of paneer and potatoes and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Do you want to be featured on Festive Flavors? Take a picture of a recipe prepared by you from our channel and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Now let's look at the ingredients. Boiled potatoes 3 medium, grated paneer 1 cup or 250 grams, breadcrumbs 1 cup, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, red chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon, dried coriander leaves ½ teaspoon. You can use any other seasoning instead of dried coriander leaves such as basil or oregano. Black pepper powder ½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon, Garam Masala ½ teaspoon, Chaat Masala 1 teaspoon, chopped ginger 1 teaspoon, chopped green chilies 1 teaspoon. Coriander leaves 1/4 cup chopped, salt to taste, water around ½ cup, oil for shallow frying around ½ cup. Let's get started. First, peel and grate the boiled potatoes. Take care not to leave any lumps. Add chopped coriander leaves, chaat masala, garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, salt and grated paneer. Mix everything, put it aside. Now, in a bowl, add breadcrumbs. You can make them at home. Watch the video till the end to view tips and tricks to make breadcrumbs at home. Add crushed red chili flakes, seasoning and black pepper powder. Add any dried seasoning like oregano leaves or basil leaves. I have used dried green coriander leaves. Mix everything and put it aside. Now, take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, mix a tablespoon or 2 of water, mix and then add some more water to make a thin slurry. It should not have any lumps. I have used around ½ cup of water. Next, take the paneer and potato mixture and make round balls. Flatten them and make them into patties, as shown in the video. Place each patty in the slurry and then in the breadcrumbs. Cover and coat the patty fully with the breadcrumbs. Prepare all the patties in the same way. Heat oil in a shallow pan. When it is medium hot, place the patties in the oil. Cook the patties for 2 minutes and then turn all the patties. Cook again for 2 minutes on the other side and then turn. Turn and cook on the sides too. Now you have to cook for a few more minutes so that they are crisp and golden brown from all sides. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Take them out on a plate when they are done. Delicious and finger-licking, not to mention the crispiest and most flavorful paneer cutlets are ready to be served with ketchup. The flavors develop from the spices and herbs added in the paneer mixture as well as the seasonings added in the breadcrumbs. Don't forget to take a picture and share with us. Let's look at the tips and tricks of breadcrumbs. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees centigrade. Cut cubes of bread. Spread bread cubes in a large heat pan. Bake for 5 minutes and then turn the bread cubes. Bake again for 5 minutes, take them out and let them cool. Pulse in a food processor until the desired size is reached. Homemade breadcrumbs are ready. Tips and tricks for paneer cutlets. Grate the boiled potatoes and see that it does not have any lumps. Grate the paneer very well. Mix the mixture of paneer and potatoes very well. Coat the breadcrumbs all over the patty. Heat the oil to medium-high and shallow fry and turn only when one side is lightly golden and crispy. Let's look at the health benefits of paneer. Paneer is rich in calcium and vitamin B, hence good for bone health. Vitamin B helps the body to absorb and to distribute calcium. Paneer is rich in protein, great for diabetics as the energy is released slowly, hence there will be no spikes of blood sugar levels. Also rich in the conjugated linoleic acid, which can improve metabolism, hence great for weight loss. Paneer contains magnesium, which helps with a host of things from energy creation and protein formation to gene maintenance, muscle movement and nervous system modulation. It contains potassium, hence good for neural activities of brain and muscles. Potassium also lowers the risk of stroke. Paneer contains antioxidants that prevent damages to cells and DNA, which in turn prevents cancers of colon and prostate. Health benefits of potatoes. Potatoes are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, niacin, and folate. Potatoes contain antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids, which neutralize potentially harmful free radicals in the body. Resistant starch in potatoes may also improve digestive health. but free, which makes them an excellent food choice for people with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also, tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.